Have you ever created a Gemini Gem, spent time training it with your business information, and then realized you have to keep updating it every time your company documents change? What if your gem could automatically use your latest information without constantly editing it? In this video, I will show you how to combine NotebookLM and Gemini Gems to create a powerful assistant that stays connected to your business knowledge and always works with your most current information. My name is Carlos, and I help small businesses around the world with the Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace subscription. For more information, visit itwithcarlos.com. In this video, we will do three things. First, we will create a central knowledge base in NotebookLM. Second, we will connect that notebook to a Gemini Gem. And third, we will see how updating our documents automatically changes the responses generated by the gem. Let's jump into the demo. Before we start building, let me explain why this workflow is so useful. Gemini Gems are great because they allow you to create assistants for specific tasks. For example, you can build a customer service assistant, a sales assistant, a proposal writer, or even an internal support assistant. The challenge is that business information changes all the time. Policies change, products change, services change, and customer-facing documents get updated regularly. If all that information is stored directly inside your Gem instructions, maintaining it can quickly become very difficult. That's where NotebookLM comes in. Think of NotebookLM as your central knowledge repository. Instead of updating multiple gems every time something changes, you update your information in one place. Your gem can then use that information whenever it needed. For administrators and business owners, this creates a much more efficient workflow because your knowledge is separated from your AI assistant. Now, let me show you how to set this up. We start inside NotebookLM. I will click on Create New Notebook. For this example, I'm going to call it Customer Service Knowledge Base. This notebook will contain information our customer service teams needs every day. Let's upload a few documents. For example, the company service description, refund policy, customer support procedures, frequently asked questions. As you can see, NotebookLM organizes all these documents into a single knowledge base. This becomes our single source of truth. Whenever company information changes, this is where we all make our updates. Now, let's move over to the Gemini. On the left side, click on Gems, and then select Create New Gem. I'm going to name this gem Customer Service Assistant. Next, let's give it some instructions. For example, you are a customer service representative for our company. Answer customer questions professionally using information from the connected knowledge base. Now, below the instructions area, click the option to add knowledge source. Then select NotebookLM and choose the notebook we created earlier. In my case, that's the customer service knowledge base. Once the notebook is attached, click Save. At this point, our gem has access to all documents stored inside NotebookLM. Now, let's see it in action. I will open the Customer Service Assistant gem and ask it a question. For example, a customer wants to cancel their service after 15 days. How should we respond? The gem reviews the information available in NotebookLM Notebook and generates a response based on our actual company policies. So far, that's already useful. But here's where things get interesting. Imagine the management updated refund policy. Instead of offering refunds for the first 30 days, The company now only offers refunds for the first 14 days. And going back to NotebookLM and updating the resource document. Notice that I'm not changing anything inside the gem. I'm only updating the document stored in NotebookLM. Now, let's go back to the gem and ask the exact same question again. Take a look at the response. The gem now follows the updated policy. We didn't edit the gem. We didn't modify the instructions. We simply updated the source document. This is what makes this workflow so powerful. Your business information stays in one place, and your gem automatically works with the latest version of that information. And that's how you combine NotebookLM and Gemini Gems to build a smarter AI assistant for your business. Instead of maintaining information across multiple prompts and multiple gems, you manage your knowledge in one central location and keep everything up to date. This can be useful for customer service teams, sales teams, internal support teams, and even content creation workflows. Let me know in the comments how will you use this type of gem in your organization. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is exploring AI tools for their business. My name is Carlos, and I help small businesses around the world with their Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace subscription. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay secure in the cloud, get tech savvy, and one step ahead with AI.